Imagine starting your day feeling energized, confident, and ready to conquer anything that comes your way. Welcome to the transformative power of morning exercises. These simple yet effective routines can be a game changer for your entire day. Morning exercises kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn calories throughout the day, even when you're not actively exercising. It's like igniting a fire within your body that keeps burning, providing you with sustained energy. Moreover, morning exercises can significantly boost your mood. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins, often referred to as the body's natural feel-good chemicals. They help combat stress, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. And don't forget about the power of morning exercises to improve focus. Regular physical activity in the morning can enhance your brain's executive functions, including decision-making, problem-solving, and time management, setting you up for a successful day. With just a few minutes each morning, you can transform your body and mind. Ready to dive in? Our first exercise is the classic jumping jacks, a full-body movement that gets your heart pumping. This exercise is a surefire way to kickstart the day with a burst of energy. To perform jumping jacks, start with your feet together and hands by your sides. Then jump and spread your legs about shoulder-width apart while simultaneously swinging your arms up over your head. Then, jump again, returning to your starting position. That's one repetition. The beauty of jumping jacks is that they work your entire body, improving cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and flexibility. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm. Try to aim for a consistent count for each jump, like a metronome. Jumping too fast or too slow can throw off your rhythm and make the exercise less effective. Remember, consistency is key. Let's move on to our next exercise. Next up, we have push-ups, an excellent exercise for strengthening your upper body and core. Let's break down how to do this exercise correctly to maximize your gains and prevent injury. To start, position your hands shoulder-width apart on the ground. Extend your legs behind you, balancing on the balls of your feet. This position is known as the plank, and it's the starting point for your push-up. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, lower your body towards the ground, bending at the elbows. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Don't let your hips sag. Go as low as you can, ideally until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember, it's not about speed, but about control and maintaining proper form. One good push-up is better than 10 poor ones. Great job! Now let's switch gears and focus on our lower body. Now, let's work those legs with squats, a powerful exercise that targets your lower body. Squats are a fantastic way to strengthen your thighs, hips, and buttocks, as well as your core. They're simple to do and they don't require any equipment, making them a versatile exercise you can do anywhere. To begin, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down. This is your starting position. Slowly lower your body, as if you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your back straight and ensure your knees are aligned over your ankles, not extending past your toes. This is crucial for proper form and preventing injury. Hold the squat at the lowest point for a moment, then slowly rise back to the starting position. That's one squat. Aim for a set of 10 to 15 to start, increasing as your strength improves. Well done! Up next, we have an exercise that's all about balance and control. Lunges are up next, a fantastic exercise to enhance your balance and tone your legs. To start, you'll want to stand tall with your hands on your hips. Then, take a big step forward with your right foot. As you do this, lower your body until your right knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. It's crucial to keep that knee directly over your ankle. We don't want it to push past the toes. This alignment is important to prevent injury and ensure you're targeting the right muscles. Then, push back up to a standing position. Repeat this on the other side with your left foot. Remember, lunges are not a race. It's about controlled, deliberate movements. Each lunge should be a challenge, pushing you to maintain balance and control. Regular lunges will help you build strength and endurance in your lower body, particularly in the glutes, thighs, and hips. Fantastic! Now let's move on to a core strengthening exercise. Our next exercise, planks, is a true powerhouse for strengthening your core. Planks are fantastic for building stability, enhancing posture, and reducing back pain. They're like the secret sauce of fitness. So how do we do them correctly? Let's dive in. Start by getting into a push-up position on the floor. Now, bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms. Your elbows should be directly beneath your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your feet. Imagine a broomstick running along the length of your back. It should make contact with your head, upper back, and buttocks. Maintain this position as long as you can. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold it, but how well you can hold it. Quality over quantity, always. And there you have it. A simple yet effective exercise to strengthen your core and improve your overall fitness. Impressive! Let's keep the momentum going with our next exercise. High knees, our next exercise, is a high-intensity workout that gets your heart rate up. This is a great exercise to boost your metabolism and strengthen your legs and core. Let's jump right in. To perform high knees, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lift up your right knee to your chest, and then quickly switch and do the same with your left knee. It's like running on the spot, but with your knees going higher. The key here is speed and intensity. The faster you go, the more you'll feel the burn. While you're raising those knees, don't forget to engage your core. That's right, your abdomen should be tight and contracted. This will not only help you maintain balance, but also work your abdominal muscles. Remember to keep your hands at hip level, palms down, and tap your knee on each lift. This will ensure you're lifting your knees high enough. Excellent work. Now, let's shift to an exercise that focuses on flexibility. Standing toe touches, our next exercise, is all about stretching and flexibility. This exercise might seem simple, but it's perfect for warming up your muscles and improving your flexibility. Plus, it gives your hamstrings a good stretch, which is vital for all kinds of movements. To perform standing toe touches, first, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bend at your waist and reach down towards your toes. Remember, the goal here isn't necessarily to touch your toes, it's to feel a stretch in the back of your legs. So if your fingers only reach your shins, that's perfectly fine. Always keep your legs straight while performing this exercise. Don't worry if you can't reach your toes at first. With consistency, your flexibility will improve over time. And remember, it's not a race. Take your time and enjoy the stretch. Great job! We're nearing the end, but we've got 2 more exercises to cover. Up next, mountain climbers, a dynamic exercise that combines cardio and strength training. This energetic exercise is like taking a mini hike right there in your living room. To kickstart your mountain climb, get into a plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, drive your right knee towards your chest, return it back, and then do the same with your left knee. That's 1 rep. The key here is to maintain a brisk pace. It's not a leisurely walk in the park, it's a mountain climb. But remember, speed should never compromise your form. Keep your core engaged, back flat, and eyes on the floor ahead. It's about quality, not just quantity. Mountain climbers are a fantastic way to get your heart pumping, muscles working, and body transforming. They target your abs, legs, and arms, making them an all-around workout winner. Fantastic! Ready for our final exercise? Our final exercise, burpees, is a full-body workout that challenges your strength and endurance. This exercise involves a series of movements that engage multiple muscles simultaneously. Here's how to do it right. Start by standing tall and straight. Then, bend your knees and place your hands on the ground, swiftly jumping back into a plank position. Maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, lower your chest to the floor in a push-up motion. Then, spring back up, pushing off the ground and returning to a standing position. Finish the movement by jumping straight up and clapping your hands overhead. Remember, the key to a successful burpee is the smooth transition between these movements. It's not about speed, but rather maintaining a steady rhythm throughout. This exercise is all about endurance and pushing your body to its limits. Congratulations! You've just completed a powerful morning workout routine that can transform your body. You've now learned 9 transformative morning exercises, each with its unique benefits and focus. From the heart-pumping jumping jacks to the strengthening push-ups, the toning squats to the balance-boosting lunges, the core-engaging planks to the cardio-intensive high knees, the flexible standing toe touches to the full-body workout of mountain climbers, and finally, the explosive burpees. You have a whole arsenal at your disposal. The key to success lies in consistency and proper form. It's not about how many you can do, but how well you can do them. Each exercise not only works on a specific part of your body, but also contributes to your overall fitness. It's not about instant results, but the gradual transformation that comes with regular practice. Remember, the journey to a healthier body starts with a single step, or in this case, a jumping jack. Start your transformation tomorrow morning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Stay fit, stay healthy.